Alright, so now we're finding the polynomial expansion for e to the x, and we'll do it around 0, 2. You know you're going to need all the derivatives, or as many as you can need to find the pattern. These derivatives were really difficult to find out. I had a hard time with these, but thankfully I have a good calculator. E to the x, e to the x, e to the x. These are going to help me figure out what my coefficients are. So a naught is just f of 0, so that would be e to the 0, that's equal to 1. Wow. A1 is equal to f prime of 0, that would be e to the 0, that's equal to 1. A2 would be equal to f double prime of 0 divided by 2 factorial, that would be equal to e to the 0 divided by 2 factorial, that would be equal to 1 over 2 factorial. A3 would be equal to f triple prime of 0 divided by 3 factorial, which would be e to the 0 divided by 3 factorial is equal to 1 over 3 factorial. And on and on and on and on. So I get all my coefficients here, 1 over 4 factorial, A5 would be 1 over 5 factorial, and so on and so forth. This tells me that the polynomial looks like this. The polynomial expression for e to the x. E to the x is equal to 1 plus 1x plus x squared over 2 factorial plus x to the third, and the coefficient is 1 over 3 factorial, plus x to the 4th, and the coefficient is 1 over 4 factorial, plus x to the 5, and the coefficient is 1 over 5 factorial, and so on and so forth. This, my friends, is the expansion for e to the x. E to the x, so famous, man. E to the x is equal to 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial plus x to the 3 over 3 factorial plus x to the 4 over 4 factorial, and on and on and on. Beautiful. By the way, if you ever want to know how can you calculate e by hand to arbitrary precision, you could just plug in, just for fun, you could try this. Let me see if I can do something just for fun here. Why not? Let's go with green. So you hear, what if you plug in x is equal to 1? This should be true for all x's. That's another exercise. Can you figure out for which values of x's this converge? We did plenty of that before. So if x is equal to 1, assuming 1 is inside the interval of convergence, you'd get that e to the 1, or just e, is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 2 factorial plus 1 over 3 factorial plus 1 over 4 factorial, and on and on and on. So if you were to add this entire number for a long time, well, forever, you would get exactly e. Some timeless stuff, huh? That's nothing. Wait till you see what's coming up next. Alright, we'll come back for some more examples. We'll see you guys here.